This video is going to show you how to use the flashcard program. So first let's just look at what's in the program. Up here on the top left, you can see that this deck has 7 cards and that we are on card 1 of 7. Next to that we have a button called Got It Right. Then we have a button called Got It Wrong. Next to that we have a button called Shuffle. And next to that we have a Reset button. Down on the bottom we have Previous and Next buttons. And then the card itself is also live. You just click on it and you can flip it over. And then we also have a play audio button. You just click the button and it plays the audio. So how do we use the program? First, we want to look at whatever we're learning. In this case, we're learning the letters. So I will look at this letter and say, this is Sarai. And I will flip and I will say, yay, I got it right. And this one I will say is Oong. And then I flip it. Oh no, I got it wrong. This is Sara'a. So I will click the got it wrong button. Oh yeah. This one is Oang. Yes, correct. So I will click the got it right button. This one is Dodek. Oh no, this is Dodao, not Dodek. So I got it wrong. This one is Dodek. Okay, I got it right. This one is Gogai. Flip it over. Yes, this is correct. So I will click got it right. This one is Nonu. Oh no, this is not Nonu. This is Moma. So I got it wrong. And you can see here now we've gone through 7 of 7 of the cards. So what we'll do is shuffle the cards. And now you can see there are only 3 cards left in the deck. That's because the 4 cards that you got right have been removed from the deck so you can focus on the cards that you got wrong. And so before I said this was Nonu, but actually it's Moma, now I remember. So I will got it right. This one is Sara'a. Okay, got it right again. And this one is Dodao. Okay, got it right. Now I've gone through 3 of the 3 cards. So now that I'm finished, I will shuffle and it will say, great job, you got all the cards right. Okay, so but now I want to do it again. So I will click reset. And now you can see that we're back on 1 of 7. So all of the cards have been added to the deck and you can do it again. And if you want to just flip through the cards and look at them, you can use the next and previous buttons. You can flip them over. You can play the audio, whatever you want to do. If you forgot them, you want to go back, review it, or just preview it, you can do that. If you have any questions, just head over to the forum and put them there and we'll help you out. Thanks.